What if the dreamers and the entrepreneurs aligned to create a better world, a better life for you, your family, your friends, career seekers, passion chasers? What if a company put people before profit? What if that company emphasized making you a better you, the most successful version of you? What if you and your business were supported by renowned scientists, working every day to redefine health and care? What if they developed a system to give your body exactly what it needs to thrive? What if stem cell science became the driving force of your life's source? What if you could overcome the signs of aging, not only looking younger, but feeling younger, living younger? What if you could work to live instead of living to work? What if you tossed out your alarm clock and took control of your time? What if your briefcase became a suitcase and the start of every Monday was as exciting as the end of every Friday? What if your office looked like this, or this, or this? What if your team worked from every corner of the globe while working together as one, proving that we really are one culture? What if you were a part of something greater? Something that compelled you to make things great for other people too? What if 6 simple words sparked a worldwide movement? What if your life could change with a single decision? It can. Jeunesse removes the what if. Join us.